What up, guys? So, my package came early. They're supposed to get here on the 7th of March, but they came super fucking quick. Paid $20 for shipping, so they better get here quick. Anyways, these are from that eBay seller. Um, on his page, it does say that these are the last pairs. These are leftovers from Supra's business that they had over there in China, apparently. So, this dude's selling them. And I guess there's been bad reviews about them smelling for some reason for being in storage, but I guess they recommend leaving the shoes outside. These, my mic's not working, so I'm doing a voiceover right now. But these didn't smell or anything. These actually look pretty good. These are the Skytop 2s, all white with the white undersole. I've been looking for the red carpet edition ones, but I doubt I'm gonna find them anytime soon or at all in good condition. So, so yeah, I bought these on the 16th. So they actually got here pretty quick. $20 for shipping. Expensive as fuck, but whatever. Anyways, so yeah, that eBay seller, he sells a lot of shoes, a lot of Vaders, Skytop ones. These are the only Skytop 2s he has. I already tried to message him and see if he had anything else other than what he has posted on his page. He told me that's all he has for now. I'm sure he'll post more. But whatever sells, that's it. There's not going to be anything else after. So I'm unboxing these apparently. So on these, they aren't the earlier release ones. These are like the last ones that they made, I'm assuming. Mainly because the outsole. The outsole is different from the other Skytop 2s I have. These are legit after I took a look at them. They have the super tag, they have the original box, but it doesn't have a label on it. But on his page, it does say new without box. They do have the waxed laces, which usually the earlier supers come with. Come with the new laces as well. Muscatoo. Some of the paint is coming off a little, or maybe like rubbing, but other than that, the shoe looks good. It looks legit. I'm assuming during shipping it was rubbing on the crown a little, so some of the paint came off just a tiny bit. Nothing too big. So I paid around $200 for these, which is pretty high. But I mean, if you're into Supra, I highly recommend getting them. These are legit. They're not fakes. The quality looks good. No peeling on the fox leather on the inside. The insoles, which I'll most likely pull out at some point of this video, they're super foam, so they're not the earlier ones with the gel, like on those navy blue and gold Skytop 2s on the right. Sorry, I'm recovering from a cold right now, so I might sound like shit. But anyways, this eBay seller seems to be legit. He has some bad reviews, but there's more good than bad, mainly for the Supras. I might end up copying one of the Skytop ones. So right here I'm showing the insoles. These are the super foam. Now these navy blue and golds, I believe they came out in 2009. I could be wrong, but the earlier models I liked. They're on that oval stitching on the side of the shoe. It's more aggressive than the newer models in like 2016. But these are the gel insoles that the earlier releases came out with. Yeah, they switched to the super foam because it was more cost efficient apparently. But this was the stitching I'm talking about. I like how it's more aggressive in the earlier shoes versus the later shoes. Technical difficulties. The later shoes they're more rounded off. So like these white sky tops, it's more rounded, as well as with the Skytop 2 Decade X that I have. I'm gonna show right now. It's rounded as well. Those came out 2016. Oh, and those gaps, they're a bit different. They're all actually different. These navy blue ones I like, they look dope. It kind of looks like an eraser end of it versus the white ones. I guess they kind of look the same, but the stitching on the white ones is a little less, how do I say it, aggressive. And these Decade X just look like rectangles. But yeah, and the tongue's a bit shorter. But I mean, these were used that I bought. But like I was saying, like that oval stitching, it's less aggressive on the newer models. And also the super tag. I guess on the newer ones, they put that logo a little bit higher on the outsole. Versus on the old ones, they put it more towards the bottom. But yeah, just minor difference from all the sky tops, but I mean, nothing too big. I mean, the shoe looks good, feels good. The quality is definitely there on these Skytop 2s. I don't know about the Raiders. I haven't really bought from this guy. I was actually very hesitant to buy these because they're pretty expensive, but I've been looking for these for a while now. So I just decided to buy them, fucking make a video. All the videos I'm making is mainly to like help people find them, mainly because I had just found out that Super went out of business this past November 2022, and by then it was already like 2-3 years that they fucking been out of business. So you could imagine how many missed opportunities I had to get some of the limited edition shoes. I do have a grip of Supras that I've been collecting since November, which is how many months? Fucking like 4 or 5 months already. But it's definitely hard to find good condition, limited edition ones. But it's not impossible. So, I mean, these videos are kind of just to help you guys find what's legit. I'm mainly doing OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, Mercari, Poshmark, and eBay. But, like, as for the websites out there, I wouldn't trust any websites. There's like a shitload of scam websites that I hear from people, and just looking at them, like, it's just not worth trying to get some from a site, to be honest with you guys. But I mean, this eBay seller seems legit. These shoes look dope. They feel dope. I'll probably do like a wear video later when it's not fucking raining here in California. But I mean, if you guys are trying to cop some of these, fucking get them. Because once they're sold out, that's it. The dude's not going to have any more. I guess they have, like I said earlier, they have a whole warehouse of all the leftover from Supra. So get at them. I think I have the dude's username on my last video. But I'll leave you guys with it. Have a good one.